Hello, friends. Welcome to English Chat Time.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mike. Are you ready to speak English with us? Good morning, Mike. Hi, Jeff.
Good morning, Laura. Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did. I also ate my breakfast.
Mike, are you okay?
I'm a little sad today.
Don't worry, I'm here for you.
Thanks, Laura. Now I'm happy again.
Hi, Mike. How are you today?
Hi, I'm great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm happy. It's a sunny day.
Yeah. Let's go play outside.
Today we learn new words.
Let's say them together. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to school, study.
What did you eat?
I ate bread and milk.
Yum. I love bread too.
Oh.
Let's go to school.
Okay,
Yeah?
let's learn together.
Mike, what are your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Yum. I like rice and chicken.
Let's eat together. I wake up. Woo!
I brush my teeth. Laura, what do you have in your bag?
I have my books and pencils.
Yeah.
Let's go to class.
Okay. I love learning English.
You did a great job, everyone.
Yeah, you next time. See you next time on English Chat Time with Laura and Mike.